You swim.
Other way.
Where you have to do this one where you're up in the air and you go.
Well, how about this one, girls?
I can't get my. I only got one leg that'll go up.
This one! Oh, he floated back into the sun. Oh, okay. Or he does. He wants us out
On
of the
your
sun.
backs, girls. On your backs.
You have to come this way out of the sun.
No, we're good. That's good.
Reverse butterfly.
No, Lynn, that is just a butterfly.
Okay. Okay, ready? Everybody's got to do a ray. What are we doing? A ray.
Oh, I would just